Hello everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel, Farm TV Realty Lopez. This is Luis, one of your site locators today. Ngayong araw ay nandito tayo sa bayan ng Atimonan, Quezon. Meron tayong isa site na property na may sukat or lawak na 1.9 hectares or 19,314 square meters to be exact. So, ang property is mula sa National Road, may mga 4 kilometers ang layo. And then from the town proper of Atimonan, ay may mga nasa 7 kilometers ang layo. Ang property ay start na dito mismo sa tinututukan ng ating camera. And as you can see, this is the road or the barangay road. Katabi lang mismo ng barangay road yung property. So, bali, ang property is mula dito hanggang doon sa may pataas pa. And ang frontage niya is around 150 meters, more or less. Alright, so right now, as you can see, the road is cemented naman, cementado. So, easy access naman siya for vehicles like motorcycles or even cars. Yan, meron lang a very small part na hindi ba cemented, but very small and still accessible naman for vehicles. Alright. Ang mga puno naman ng niyog dito is mga nasa more or less 300. So, it's not really that many. Ayan. So, tara, try nating tingnan yung loob ng property. So, later, I'll try to show you guys the ending of the property. But for now, dito muna tayo. Ayan. Meron din ditong sapa. Ayan. Sapa yung nakikita nyo. But as of now, since medyo tag-init na rin, hindi na masyadong mataas yung tubig dito. Kawayan. Okay lang. Kaya na ako dito. Yan. So, we're already inside the property. Okay. Ito yung mga pinaglukaran. Koprahan. I don't know the term. So, this is what it looks like inside. Visible ba yung ano? I'm not sure. Saan visible? Walang masyadong fruit-bearing trees dito sa property. So I think ano lang, mga saging lang. I'm so sorry kung medyo tahimik. It's actually been a while for me to vlog. Yeah, there are also like not much to show. Since again, ang main source lang dito ng income is yan, mga coconut trees, mga puno ng niyog. And that's the road there. So yeah, there's really not much to show. But yeah, let's try to check yung dulo ng frontage. Alright, nasa labas na ulit tayo ng property. Okay, itong road nito is medyo paahon ng konti. I think may part dito na hindi cemented. But as of now, yung nilalakaran nating kalsada is cemented naman. Ayan, medyo maraming matataas na ligaw na damo doon sa property or sa loob ng property. But yeah, meron pa rin itong mga puno ng niyog. Yeah, this is yung hindi cemented na road. But very short lang. I think after, siguro mga doon sa part na yun is cemented na ulit yung kalsada. Yan, so right now, medyo hindi kagandahan yung road. But ito lang mismo. From there to there, only a few meters. Ayan yung mga puno ng saging. Doon naman is may mga puno pa rin ng niyog. But then again, like what I mentioned earlier, maraming matataas na ligaw na damo or puno.
Ganto lang yan sa may ano. So ito hindi simentado pa kasi simentado na yon lahat.
Ito hindi at tayo.
At ayaw ipasiminto nitong may-ari nito.
Hanggang sa hindi lang cemented.
Oo. Pero dito tayo papasok sa kung ito makita yung ano yan.
Okay, so pakita ko lang dito saglit. Okay. So, yan, as you can see, yung cemented part na yun, hanggang dun lang yung property. So, itong part lang nito yung hindi cemented. Mula doon hanggang doon. So, I think, I'm not really sure how many meters is that. Yeah, let's check inside. property. Yeah, I think meron ditong horse na pumapasok. Okay. Tabi-tabi po. Ayan. Dito sa part nito yung maraming puno ng niyog. Or at least, mas visible. Meron ding mga puno ng... Hindi ko alam kung ano puno to actually. Ayan, puno ng langka. Okay, itong part nito, flatland siya. Dito rin yung maraming mga bunga. Yung puno ng niyog. I'm not really sure if it's visible in the camera, but yeah, me being here in person, yeah, I could say na marami siyang bunga. Ayan. Mas visible dito yung mga puno ng niyog. Yes. Hanggang saan pa po ito? May bakod naman po doon.
Akin po kasi may bakod din.
Ah, okay. May bakod naman daw doon sa part na yan.
Yung bakod sa may saging na may bunga.
Dito po, sa ako.
Ako sa sakit ko yan. Semi lang naman. Hindi naman.
Sa part na yan, medyo pa-slope siya ng very light. Tabi-tabi po. Ayan, medyo pa-slope sa part nito. And marami talagang matataas na damo. I think I can see papaya there. Alright everyone. Again, thank you so much sa patuloy na panonood ng aming mga vlogs. I love this one. Wait, hold on. And then if you have any questions, inquiries, do not hesitate to message us or call the phone numbers on the upper right side of the video. Yes, again, this is Louise, one of your sighted haters today. Thank you so much and see you on our next vlogs. Bye!